We are going to go for different episodes of physics and mathematics. First episode I am dedicating to interference of light waves. And what exactly is interference of light waves? It is non-uniform distribution of light energy due to superposition of two coherent light waves producing a pattern of alternate bright and dark fringes. Non-uniform distribution, that is very important. The redistribution of light energy is there, but it is in a non-uniform manner. That is the important thing here. Let us now talk about coherent sources, because without coherent sources, interference is not possible at all. Coherent sources are a necessary condition for interference to take place. Coherent sources, as you can see on the screen, they have a constant phase difference, same frequency, and same wavelength. Let us now talk about constructive interference. Interference is broadly of two types. Number one is constructive interference. Number two is destructive interference. In constructive interference, crests coincide with crests and troughs coincide with the troughs. This produces a bright region that is maximum intensity. In this case, waves arrive in phase, that is, phase difference is even multiple of pi. Please understand, when phase difference is even multiple of pi, that means no phase difference. And phase difference delta phi is equal to 2n multiplied by pi, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. 2n represents the even numbers, and it is even multiple of pi. That means there is no phase difference. Now let us go to path difference. Before we go to path difference, let us understand that phase pi corresponds to lambda over 2, where lambda, as you know, is wavelength. So path difference will be even multiple of lambda over 2, and once again n is 0, 1, 2, 3, so on so forth. Now let us focus on figure 1. You can see this figure 1. In figure 1, what is happening is that the phase difference is 0. There is no phase difference. Of course, crest on crest and trough on trough, but there is no phase difference, as you can see. Now let us go to figure number 2. In figure number 2, once again there is no phase difference, as you can see. Phase difference is 2 pi. You know 2 is even multiplied by pi, even multiple of pi, no phase difference, constructive interference. Let us now focus on figure number 3. In figure number 3, phase difference is 4 pi. Once again, it is even multiple of pi. As you know, 4 is an even number. It is even multiple of pi, no phase difference, and once again, as shown in figure 3, constructive interference is taking place. When two waves of equal amplitude A undergo constructive interference, then maximum intensity is equal to A plus A whole square, which is equal to 4A square. This gives rise to bright fringes on the screen. Bright fringes correspond to maximum intensity. That means in the redistribution of light energy, a light energy has come into these fringes, therefore they are bright fringes. And we have added the amplitudes, as you can see. Now let us go for destructive interference. In destructive interference, crest of one wave meets a trough of another, causing the waves to cancel out. This produces minimum intensity, that is, it produces a dark region. In this case, the waves arrive exactly out of phase. please understand the waves are arriving exactly out of phase, and in constructive interference they were arriving in phase, now they are arriving out of phase, exactly out of phase. And phase difference is delta phi is equal to odd multiple of pi where n is 0, 1, 2 and so on. Odd multiple of pi means out of phase, and as I said earlier, phase pi corresponds to path difference lambda over 2. Therefore, path difference is odd multiple of lambda over 2. Now look at this figure. In this figure, as you can see, the phase difference is pi. That is, the two waves are out of phase. That is why destructive interference is taking place, crest on trough, trough on crest and so on. And now once again, you look at this figure, the phase difference is 3 pi. That means odd multiple of pi. That means they are out of phase. When two waves of equal amplitude undergo destructive interference, I minimum is equal to a minus a whole square, which is equal to 0. This gives complete darkness, and we can say dark fringe also. Delta phi and delta x give conditions for destructive interference. Destructive interference produces dark fringes on the screen, while constructive interference produces bright fringes. The pattern of alternate bright and dark fringes is interference pattern.